Hello everyone, this video is going to be about me installing a new grip, pistol grip onto my Extar. Here I have the AGR 43, which is a Fab Defense design. Feels pretty good in the hand, so I'm going to show you what to do on that. Alright, first thing first, as you can see, the pistol is unloaded, no magazine, breech is open. I'm going to go ahead and close that and use my takedown pin to take off the top slide. I don't believe you have to do that, but I'm just doing it just to see what the insides look like when I'm taking it off. Alright, took my pin, punched it out through the other side. There's the other piece over there. Now what you want to do is turn it over and look down in there. Hang on, let me put a light on. Alright, and there's your little screw hex bolt that's down in there. And that size is a cannot pick it up, but it's a 3/16. The lights messed with it, but it's 3/16 hex bolt or Allen. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew that, and everything should stay in place. Alright, got everything off. Be mindful when you do take off the pistol grip. There are two springs that you're gonna have to put back in. One goes into the pistol grip itself, and the other one goes up into the pistol. The new grip has the same hole, so I'll give you a side by side of the two. This is more of a hard plastic. This is more of a rubberized, almost like a Hogue feeling, but a little bit better than Hogue. It does have finger grooves, which that finger's not going to be on it, but it does have finger grooves, which is pretty good. My hand rides up on it pretty good also. Overall, it feels very good in the hand. I would recommend this pistol grip. So let's get it back installed. Here's the screw that came out, and it does have a little washer on it, so make sure you keep up with that. Alright, to put this one on, you have to open up that little bottom piece there. I just kind of pushed my Allen wrench into that backside hole right there, and it flipped down for me. I already pressed the spring back in the pistol. And now I'm going to place the other one in the grip. I may need two hands to do this, so hang on just a second. Alright, I got it on now. Everything went on smoothly. And again, this was the stock. And this is the new. It feels so much better in my hand. Not that the stock just felt bad, but this just feels better. Would definitely recommend. Take it out and get some shots with it. A little dimples on the back, you can definitely feel those in your hand, adding more grip. I think that's going to do just fine. There it is, all assembled. Has a little bit of overlap from the stock one, but that doesn't hurt anything. So if you're just a stickler for tolerances and clearances, then you can cut that off, shave it down, whatever you need to do. But I can get to my QD attachment hole there and reach everything else I need to. Overall, feels pretty good, looks pretty good. I didn't show you the takedown of the pistol. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do that. If not, then you can find that video online on YouTube. But I did not see any videos about installing a pistol grip, so that's why I want to show you that. It is pretty much the same as AR, but those videos are about ARs. This video is about the Extar EP9. So hopefully it helped you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.